All right, y'all. It's final exam week. It is our last few days as a class together for this term. And so I want to remind y'all of the importance of finishing strong. Remember, the final exam is 50 multiple choice questions. It is straightforward. You can use your notes. You can research. It is up to you. It's just a good summative way to see have we learned met the learning objectives from the course. But much more than that, I want to take a moment to say thank you as a class for engaging well in the material, for engaging well with one another. I'm thrilled with how the semester went, with how the term went, and I want to say best of luck to you as you take this final and your other finals, as you finish up this term well. I want to say have a great summer, and I hope that you get time with your family. I hope that if you're taking classes this summer, that those go exceptionally well. And again, thank you for engaging well in this semester. And I hope, and my prayer as we kind of close out our time together, is that you will have found yourself by the end of this semester being a better employee through engaging in interpersonal work with your fellow employees well. Find yourself a better church member through seeing how these things apply in the church setting, and being able to operate well in church life and love one another well, and found yourself just better overall in life, working in teams and out of teams to get work done that we are called to get done in a good and helpful way, a way that doesn't just move the work forward, but hopefully reflects Christ in everything that we do. So that's my prayer for each of us as we end this semester. And just a reminder: do well on the final, finish strong, and I hope that y'all have a safe and blessed start to your summer. Bye, y'all.